Late na kami actually. Guys! Si MJ. May drawing din siya guys. So ito muna si MJ. MJ, dyan ka lang.
Ano yung feeling that this is your last academic semester?
Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Ano?
For technology. You are very good in computing.
Nag-exam siya.
Guys, ganito pala sa Maynila. Maingay.
Guys, tapos na class! Ano ba ito mga daw? iPad? iPad kid. Teka ha.
Ako flash number 1. Ay, ako flash tuloy.
Bagay ba? Parang ang balon. Oo, wag mo. Aray, aray. Punch.
What?
Dark. Dark yung...
Yung kay Ali.
Ayun na yung dark na book.
Show it to the vlog.
Try ko nga yun.
To the
Ano
vlog.
yung dark na book? Yung dark na book. Hindi ko bisa ko.
Vlog. Bibili na yan.
Meron din ako.
Ano po yung 1/4?
Hi! We're here in the Philippines of Manila.
Ano to?
Hi!
Nasaan? Ay, layo ah. So before I leave the house, let's do a what's in my bag. Senior year edition. First I have is my binder notebook, power bank, coin purse, wallet, umbrella, this is a must, fan, my perfume, and my hairbrush, pencil case, black pen, mild liner, pink pen, and correction tape. And they are cherry themed. Next, I also have my baon. And lastly, my kike kit. I have 3 lippies with me, brushes, powder, blush, and eye drops. Okay, that's all that's in my bag. Bye!
Hey, crumble cookie!
Ay, sumara.
Steven!
Thank you, Steven!
Thank you, Steven!
Sobrang papansin naman.
Cleanser! Ilan talaga siya dati? Tapos,
Yes!
nakikita niyo ba yan?
Cheers!
Mwah!
Tama ko saan ko to. Ay!
Mwah!
Wala na masyado ang OA. Ayaw mo ba naman ako? Brown. Thank you, Steven! Thank you, Steven!
Ano yung leader namin? Yapper, yapper. Go, go. Pasabog. Tapos na sila.
Sama kita kay Dre.